Welcome everyone, here's a quick look at the complete MiBRX PLC series featuring both panel-mounted and rail-mounted solutions for a wide range of industrial automation applications. In this video, we'll focus on the rail-mounted series. Let's start with MiBRX 2M. MiBRX 2M is ideal for small and medium automation projects with a compact and economical design. It is available in two power variants, an AC variant operating at 24-volt AC, plus/minus 10%, a DC variant operating at 24-volt DC, plus/minus 10%. It provides three inbuilt digital inputs, with fast input support up to 5 kHz, along with Modbus RTU RS485 communication for program downloading and third-party interfacing. MiBRX 2M offers two I/O slots for adding digital and analog I/O modules, as well as special function cards, such as data logging, Wi-Fi, or portable downloader cards. It supports an onboard 7-segment LED display, or a blind display, and can also be expanded using an adapter plate, with a range of extended display modules. Next in the series is MiBRX 4M, which is flexible and scalable module. MiBRX 4M is a 4-module size PLC designed for medium-scale automation applications, up to 29 input-outputs capacity and faster execution speed. MiBRX 4M offers 4 input-output slots for adding digital, analog, and special function cards, such as data logging, Wi-Fi, or portable downloader cards. It provides 5 inbuilt digital inputs, including one fast input channel supporting up to 5 kHz, and one input that can be configured as a voltage analog input. The product supports Modbus RTU master and slave communication over RS485, and includes a built-in real-time clock, RTC. Using the RS485 master port, the product can be expanded further to increase input-output capacity, or connect with third-party devices. It is available in both power variants, an AC variant operating at 240-volt AC, plus/minus 10%, a DC variant operating at 24-volt DC, plus/minus 10%. It supports either a 2x8 backlit LCD display, or a 7-segment LED display, with keys for human-machine interface, and can also be extended using an adapter plate, with additional display modules. Next is the powerful model in the series, MiBRX 6M. MiBRX 6M is designed for advanced and complex automation projects. This 6M available in two variants, 24-volt DC and 230-volt AC. Support for micro USB-B and Ethernet TCP or IP, with both client and server connectivity modes. The product supports Modbus RS485 master and slave communication. The 230-volt AC variant offers inbuilt 11 digital inputs and 4 relay outputs, including 2 fast inputs up to 5 kHz. This model operates at 240-volt AC, plus/minus 10%. 24-volt DC variant with Ethernet has inbuilt 8 digital input. And this model operates at 24-volt DC, plus/minus 10%. It includes a built-in real-time clock, and offers 6 input-output slots for adding digital, analog, and special function cards, such as data logging, Wi-Fi, or portable downloader cards. Like MiBRX 4M, MiBRX 6M supports a 2x8 backlit LCD display with keys for human-machine interface and can be extended using an adapter plate, with a range of display modules. The MiBRX 6M can be expanded to MiBRX 4M, or expansion module. The MiBRX series supports digital I/O and analog I/O cards, mixed cards, temperature sensor cards, like RTD and thermocouple, special functions cards, such as Wi-Fi, portable downloader, data logging, and load cell. This is the card configuration including all available cards, supporting MiBRX Rail Mount series. All Selec PLCs use a single common software, Selpro. For programming, simulation, monitoring, and communication setup.